Welcome, little chefs. Are you ready for a kitchen adventure? First things first, let's wash our hands and I'll tell you what we're making today. Today, we are going to be making some... Wait, did you hear that too? Oh, it's my friend Eggward.
Hello, you kind of forgot about me.
I did?
Yep, I've just been hanging out here in the dark being very egg-like.
Oh, that sounds lonely.
It's okay, I've been busy thinking about important egg thoughts.
Oh yeah? Like what?
Like, what am I gonna turn into?
That is a big question.
Will I be fluffy?
Maybe.
Will I be flat?
Could be.
Will I get thrown off the roof?
Definitely not.
Okay, good.
There you go, Eggward. You can hang out with us. So today we are going to be turning one ingredient into 3 different things. Scrambled eggs, fried eggs, and boiled eggs. One ingredient, 3 different recipes. First, let's scramble them. To scramble an egg, you need to learn one of the most important chef skills there is: cracking an egg. When you crack an egg, well, wait, what's the best way to crack an egg? Let's get a hammer. Will a hammer crack an egg? No, do not use a hammer. What if we throw it from the top of the stairs? No, do not throw the egg off the stairs. Okay, so no hammer, no throwing it off the stairs. What if we just ask the egg really nicely to crack open itself? Please open. Pretty please open. Pretty please open. Pretty please crack open. Crack open. Crack open. Crack open! Okay, none of those ways are the way to crack an egg. So let's crack the egg for real. We're gonna take an egg. You're gonna hold it in your fingers like this. You're gonna get a bowl. It doesn't have to be this big. It could also be a smaller bowl, because all you need is the edge of the bowl. Tap on the side of the bowl, and when you see a crack, you're just gonna put your little fingers in there and break it open. And then the yolk and the egg white are going to fall into the bowl. So let's try it. I'm a little nervous. Ready? Did you hear that? That was a crack. Our crack, we kind of have a crack that's big enough. Let me show you. Do you see the crack? When it cracks like that, you're going to take your fingers, your thumbs, and push them in gently right there. Putting my fingers into it. There we go. Cracking an egg. Remember, after you crack an egg, wash your hands. Now that we've cracked our eggs in the bowl, we're going to scramble them by using a fork. And you're just going to beat them really fast until all the color is yellow. Now a little salt and pepper in our eggs before we throw them into a hot pan. Then they're going to get really scrambled and fluffy. poured the eggs into the pan. I moved them all around. You see how they're starting to get fluffier and fluffier. Look at our eggs become scrambled. Those are our scrambled eggs, our first recipe out of 3. What do you think? Pretty easy, right? Next up, we're going to fry an egg. Ooh, we fried our egg. He's all flat. Different from the scrambled eggs, which are all fluffy. Do you know what day of the week eggs hate the most? Friday. Because he got fried. Okay, now for our third recipe for the egg, a boiled egg. This time, we are not going to crack the egg. It's going to stay in its shell and sit in hot boiling water for 10 minutes. We have 2 eggs. Once the water starts bubbling gently, we're going to put our eggs inside. Make sure you have a grown-up help you anytime you're dealing with a hot stove. We're ready for our egg bath. Ooh. Now our eggs are gonna come out of their hot bath and go right into an ice bath and cool off. Ooh. I think they like the ice bath. The hot bath was too hot. Our eggs are all cooled down. We can peel the shell off because we're not gonna eat the shell. We peeled our 2 boiled eggs. And now look, we have 3 different recipes for 1 ingredient. Scrambled, fried, and boiled. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look how yellow it is on the inside. Did you know that the color of the yolk may change depending on what the chicken eats? Sometimes it's bright orange and sometimes it's light yellow. Maybe none of these are new to you. Maybe you've tried all of these different eggs before, and maybe you haven't, but you can give it a try and see if you like it. It's also okay if you don't like what you taste. Cooking is about experimenting and trying. And can I tell you a secret? When I was a kid, I didn't like eggs at all. Not fried, not boiled, not scrambled, not in any form. None. Until I was a grown-up. And now I like eggs in all different forms. So you never know what you don't like today, you might like tomorrow. So just keep trying. Today, we cooked together. We watched our food change. And we learned something new. You are a chef when you're curious, you're a chef when you try, and you're always welcome here. See you next time, little chefs. Maybe he has something to say. Hello? I didn't catch that. Did you hear that? My egg is talking. Please open. Pretty please. It's not saying anything.
Remy, you're laughing.